Welcome and congratulations for being selected as an ambassador for the Walgreens Signature Experience program. I'm so excited that you are joining us on this journey. You're not only going to learn a lot about Walgreens and healthcare, but you're going to be helping people every time you work in a Walgreens. Whether you have a really busy day or a slow day, you can leave with the satisfaction that you've helped someone. Additionally, Walgreens and United Healthcare are extremely excited about this program that we are launching. There are a lot of excited eyes upon us, so let's get down to the information. We're going to go through what seems like a lot of information in this training. Please allow yourself to fully engage and remove all outside distractions. I would take the time to attend this training a few times as we'll continue to give you the tools that you will need for all of the important stuff that you'll be talking about. Again, congratulations on being part of a team, and I can't wait to see everyone in the field. Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about Brand Connections. Brand Connections is a division of Advantage Solutions, a global leader in retail sales, marketing, and technology solutions. Throughout this program, you'll see info from both Brand Connections and Advantage. Brand Connections specifically is known for providing elevated engagement services for brands and retailers like Walgreens. What that means is that we're here to educate their customers about specific topics that may require a little bit more guidance than their in-store teams would typically be able to provide, given all of their other responsibilities. We accomplish this by hiring and properly training great staff like you, providing the tools to deliver what may be complicated or complex information in a friendly way that customers will understand and then be able to act on. We're looking forward to working with you on the Walgreens Signature Experience. Here's a little bit about the program. Walgreens is partnering with United Healthcare to provide an enhanced customer experience for their senior United Healthcare Medicare Advantage members. This program is designed to help members better manage their prescriptions while adding convenience and a more personalized pharmacy experience. As part of this program, Walgreens Signature Experience event days feature a program ambassador. That's you, who will provide exceptional customer service in helping eligible members opt into the program and learn about its helpful benefits. You will also make sure that all customers, including those who aren't eligible for the Signature Experience program, are aware of the online pharmacy services Walgreens offers, namely the website and the app. Let's talk about your role as an ambassador. First, your responsibility is to set up the event materials at the Signature Experience table on scheduled days. Stand at the event table and greet customers as they approach. Engage with all customers by sharing info that is relevant to them. Help eligible customers sign up or opt in for the Walgreens Signature Experience program. Help all customers navigate the Walgreens digital services and tools such as downloading the mobile app, refill reminders, 90-day prescription refills, and more. Provide customer-relevant brochures as needed. Build strong relationships with Walgreens team members to ensure the best event execution. Keep track of event collateral and communicate replenishment needs, and complete end-of-day reporting. As important as your role is, there are important things that we should not be talking about as well. Giving advice on medications or insurance providers is strictly prohibited. We can't give any advice even if you feel like you have the information in your head about a certain medication or insurance provider. We cannot give any advice on medications or insurance providers. We also won't be ringing up customers or stocking shelves. And we won't be covering a shift or store area for a team member. When in doubt, contact your manager. And if you're asked to do any of these things, please contact us immediately. As a brand ambassador, you will meet many different types of Walgreens customers. Depending on the customer and his or her eligibility for the Signature Experience program, you will take a different direction for each of these conversations. Let's talk about customer eligibility for the signature experience. Those that are eligible are only United Healthcare Medicare Advantage members who have received the opt-in letter with the access code can sign up for the signature experience. If a customer didn't receive a letter or doesn't have an opt-in code or doesn't remember receiving the letter, you can help him or her assist by visiting mysigx.com and requesting a code. Those that are not eligible are other pharmacy patients, including other health plan members or other United Healthcare members that are not under the Medicare Advantage. Now remember, anyone is able to get assistance with understanding the Walgreens digital pharmacy service and tools. Please continue discussions with customers around these services and tools, even if they're not a signature experience member. Here's a quick guide to identifying the correct topics to discuss with patients. Those that are United Healthcare member Medicare Advantage, we can discuss the Walgreens Signature Experience, how to opt into the program, prescription services, and even digital downloads like the app. Those that are Medicare Part D or something else, we can still discuss prescription services, digital downloads, but we do not want to discuss the Signature Experience program details as it won't pertain to what they're entitled to. Here are some of the benefits to the Walgreens Signature Experience. Personalized health messages to support your health year-round. A dedicated toll-free number. You can reorder prescriptions, receive pharmacist consultations, and more. Customized online health dashboards and mobile app. You can manage your prescriptions, refills, and more. Hands-on support and in-store support from people like you. Priority prescription pickup at stores where available. Opting into the Signature Experience is easy. Eligible members should have received an outreach letter in the mail from United Healthcare and Walgreens with a unique code and instructions on how to opt in. There are actually two easy ways for eligible customers to join the Signature Experience program. They can visit mysigx.com and enroll using their code. You can actually do this on the iPad, or they can use their own device. And they can text JOIN to 469-535-SIGX and follow the instructions. After opt-in, members will begin to receive welcome information with access to the program benefits. If a customer did not receive a letter or forgot their code, there's still an easy way for him or her to opt into the event, and we'll go over that soon. This is a quick guide to opting in with a code. Go to mysigx.com on your iPad. You can use a preloaded shortcut that we've provided for you to help the customer enroll. If the customer prefers to use their own mobile phone instead, direct him or her to go to the website or send a text message to join at 469-535-MySigX. Customers should enter their mobile phone number or switch to enter their email instead. Have the customer enter his or her signature experience code and submit. Have the customer enter in her access token sent via text or email and submit again. Easy as that. Registration is complete. United Healthcare Medicare Advantage customers can also opt in without a code if they've lost their letter or don't know the code. They can go to mysigx.com, either using your iPad, or they can, if they prefer to use their own mobile phone instead, they can go to the website or send a text message to join 469-535-MySigX. Customers should enter their mobile phone number or switch to enter their email instead. Instruct the customer to select My Signature Experience and then instruct them to enter their first initial, last name, and birthday. If eligible, a unique code will populate. Hit submit and they will be on their way. Now I know this sounds like a lot of information, but we're going to give you the tools in the upcoming week to practice the experience if you would like. We'll be providing you credentials to log in and demo a version of mysigx.com so you'll be ready to hit the ground running on your first day. Please only use the credentials that we provide you and be sure to practice and familiarize yourself with the process before trying to help customers. Even though everyone is not eligible for the Walgreens Signature Experience program, there are other benefits that are available to everyone. Our goal is to provide exceptional service to all customers visiting the event table. Even if they can't opt into the program, some of the great benefits are refill prescriptions by scan for fast and easy ordering, tracking prescription and refill history in real time, the setting up of pill reminders to stay on track and never miss a dose. You can consult a doctor via live video call or mobile app or chat with a pharmacist for free. You can submit insurance card details, record vaccines, and browse products in the app or find the nearest Walgreens. Now let's talk about the event day itself and everything that you'll need to know. The event schedule is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time on scheduled event days. Please arrive a few minutes early to set up your event. You will be allotted one 30-minute break and two 15-minute breaks during your scheduled event days. Your morning break should be around 11 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Lunch breaks happen from 1 p.m. to 1:30, and afternoon breaks happen from 3 o'clock to 3:15. This is the event schedule for the year. You will see that in March you work every Tuesday, then starting in April it's every other Tuesday. The first Tuesday of every month is Senior Day at Walgreens, which means your store may also display materials and products related to Senior Day at your event table during your shift. This is a really good opportunity to strike up conversations with seniors that may be drawn to your table. The event day uniform is solid black pants, solid white button-up shirt, black shoes, and the signature event button. The button is included in your event kit. Avoid wearing hats, sunglasses, and open-toed shoes or sandals. Looking professional will immediately add credibility as you are speaking with customers. Your event materials should be very easy to locate. Just look for the yellow box. Talk to the store manager upon arrival to help locate the yellow United Healthcare Signature Experience Program box. What's included? We'll have an acrylic tabletop standee and two 8.5x11 inserts. One 7x5 acrylic holder with two 7x5 inserts. One vinyl table runner that fits the 4-foot table provided by Walgreens. 200 digital download pamphlets. 200 enrollment bifolds. 200 prescription services bifolds. And 4 buttons. Store leaders and team members are the key to your success. Get to know all of the people around you and learn as much as you can about what Walgreens has to offer aside from what you're being trained on today. Walgreens has dedicated 2 hours of your shift to support you with a team member. This Walgreens team member may help you with customers during the busiest hours, or they may use the time to cover breaks. Either way, use this time to really listen to the ways that they talk about the different benefits of being a Walgreens customer. You can also talk to them about the Walgreens Signature Experience Program. So it's your first day. Take a deep breath, be confident, and walk through that door. Arrive on time and introduce yourself to the store manager and other employees in the store and let them know that you are there to work the Walgreens Signature Experience event that day. Ask for help locating the event supply kit in the designated office or storage hours. Remember, supplies will be in a yellow box. Seek to build positive relationships with all team members in the store. All event supplies needed for your event will be included in the kit except for the event table. You will need to ask the store manager to get that table for you. Take about 50 of each of the handouts to give to the store leadership. They'll be placed behind the pharmacy counter for when the pharmacist needs to help people while you're not there. Talk to the store manager about using a locker to store any personal items. Ask your store manager to locate the event table and partner with them on where you should set it up. Preferably, this will be near the front door where you can get as much traffic as possible. Set up your table with tablecloth, handouts, and easel, and have an amazing day helping customers better navigate their health through Walgreens. So setting up your table. Ensure table setup is always neat and presentable. The table is an important reflection of the Signature Experience program. Now note, this image does not represent how the table should exactly look, but most of you have done this before and it's really not rocket science by any means. We want to make sure that the table looks very presentable every time. Let's talk about a few of the handouts that you'll have. One is the Signature Experience pamphlet. You should hand these to self-identified eligible Signature Experience members only. Allow members to learn more about the program and how to opt in. This reviews pharmacy service options and how to get set up. After confirming your customer is eligible, hand them a pamphlet and walk them through the service features and benefits. You can even help the customer opt in on your iPad. Keep these under the table and only give them out to Signature Experience members. Next, we have the Digital Pharmacy Services pamphlet. Place approximately 10 to 20 pamphlets in the acrylic easel as space allows. The remaining can be kept on the table. This pamphlet can be handed to any of the customers who are discussing digital pharmacy services with and who would like additional information. It provides information on pharmacy service available such as fast prescription refills, pill reminders, and live chat with a pharmacist. Next, we have the Walgreens mobile app handout. Place about 10 to 20 of these in the acrylic easel as well, and then place a few more on the table. Handout provides instructions on downloading the app for Android or Apple devices. You'll use this one a lot. This should be handed to customers who are interested in learning more about the Walgreens app but may not want to download it at the event table. They could take this home and download the app on their own time. Greet arriving and circulating customers using open body language, and don't forget to smile. Inform customers of the services you are providing and provide information that is relevant to the customer. Quickly identify eligible Signature Experience customers versus not eligible. An example greeting might be, "Hello, my name is Emily. Are you a United Healthcare Medicare Advantage member? Have you heard about the Walgreens new Signature Experience?" When approaching your customers, the first thing you should do is identify if your customer is a member of Walgreens Signature Experience, or if they are eligible. Eligible customers will have United Healthcare and should have received a welcome letter from Walgreens in the mail. If they are a part of United Healthcare and did not receive a letter, chances are they are most likely still eligible. If your customer is eligible, hand them an enrollment package and discuss the benefits of being a member. And some other approach examples might even be, "Hi, my name is Emily. Are you part of United Healthcare Medicare Advantage? Have you enrolled in the Walgreens Signature Experience for United Healthcare? I'm helping customers enroll in Walgreens Signature Experience for United Healthcare. Are you part of United Healthcare Medicare Advantage? And hi, are you familiar with the Walgreens app and website? I would love to share some of the benefits with you." These are just, again, a few examples of how to approach a customer. Of course, use your own words and make it your own. Here's a sample conversation you might have with an eligible customer with an ID code from a letter. "Hello, my name is Emily. I'm helping customers enroll in Walgreens Signature Experience. Are you currently part of United Healthcare?" And the customer might say, "I received a letter in the mail last week with an ID, but I haven't registered yet. I'm in a hurry, so I can't enroll now." This would be the perfect opportunity to give them the enrollment pamphlet and so they can enroll at home if needed. You can also help them enroll in the store if they have time. To review, opting in with a code is easy, and this will be something you'll do often in the store. You go to mysigx.com on your iPad, or if the customer prefers, they can use their own mobile phone and direct them to the website or send a text to join 469-535-MySigX. Customers should enter their mobile phone number or switch to an email instead. Have the customer enter their signature experience code and submit. Have the customer enter in their access token sent via text or email and submit. And registration is complete. An example of a conversation you might have with an eligible customer without an ID code is, "Hello, my name is Emily. I'm helping customers enroll in Walgreens Signature Experience. Are you currently United Healthcare Medicare Advantage member?" "Why, yes, I am. I received something like that in the mail, but I wasn't sure what it was." Then you might say, "Great. The Signature Experience offers a lot of benefits, including priority prescription pickup and online pharmacy support. On your letter, you should have received an opt-in code. If you don't have that, I can gladly show you how to do without it. I don't have the letter with me. How can I opt in now?" This is a great time to show the customer how to opt in without an ID code from the letter. Go to mysigx.com on your iPad to help the customer enroll. If the customer prefers, they can use their own mobile phone instead. Direct them to go to the website or send a text message of join to 469-535-MySigX. The customer should enter their mobile phone number or switch to enter their email address instead. Instruct the customer to select My Signature Experience. Instruct the customer to enter in her first initial, last name, and birthday. If eligible, a unique code will populate. Hit submit and they're on their way. Now let's talk about continuing the conversation. You might say, "I'm so glad we were able to enroll you today. I can't wait to hear about your experience with the service. Walgreens app also offers a vast array of helpful features like quick prescription refills and pill reminders too. Do you utilize Walgreens.com or the app currently?" And the customer might say, "Not really. I usually do all my refills and orders over the phone or while I'm in the store." Then you might say, "Well, if you're interested in downloading the app, I can certainly show you how right now and walk you through the amazing features. If not, I can give you this information pamphlet and to help you download the app whenever you'd like." Another way to continue the conversation, the customer might say, "I don't use the Walgreens app, but I like the idea of a pill reminder. Where do I find that app?" This is a great opportunity to give them the pamphlet on how to enroll or how to download the app. A conversation you might have with a non-eligible customer is, "Hello, my name is Emily. I'm helping customers enroll in Walgreens Signature Experience program. Are you currently a member of United Healthcare Medicare Advantage?" "No, I'm not," might say the customer. "I'm not part of United Healthcare, and I'm not sure what the Signature Experience is." You would say, "Thanks for letting me know. How often do you shop at Walgreens?" "I ask because the Walgreens app has a variety of features that make your shopping and refill experiences fast and easy. I'd love to help you learn more." "I don't currently use the app. What exactly are the features?" This is where you might tell the customer more about the app's features and help them download the app. If they don't want to download the app in the store and you are unsure if they want to download it at all, share the digital services pamphlet with them to take home. We will be providing an iPad for this job. You'll be issued the iPad and it's to be used for the sole purposes of the program. On that iPad, you're going to have the JET app, which is the clocking in and clocking out and scheduling system. You'll be taking a training on that as well. You'll see the Walgreens app. You'll have a website bookmark for mysigx.com, so it's quick and easy when you need to opt people in on the fly. You'll have access to training content in iBooks or other apps. You'll be able to you'll have reference guides for navigating the app and the website. You'll have a reporting tool for end-of-day reporting called Go Spot Check. And there will also be Walgreens vendor guidelines. Please review these guidelines on your first day. And use any of these tools to help you in your job from day to day. Again, the iPad is to be used solely for helping customers and completing end-of-shift reporting. Please do not use the tablet for personal use. Additionally, the iPad is for Advantage Solutions and Brand Connections staff only. Use by Walgreens employees or anyone else is prohibited. iPad reporting. Our reporting tool is called Go Spot Check. Go Spot Check is an advanced data collection app that allows you to send feedback and information to the corporate team. Data collection really helps us put your feedback into action for future program enhancements. To log into Go Spot Check, find the Go Spot Check app icon on your tablet. Use your personal email address for the username, and we'll supply you with the password. Missions are reports that give us the necessary data. So basically, any report you fill out is called a mission, and you'll be able to see it preloaded on your iPad. We analyze the data and use that to help support program initiatives. Simply click on the end-of-day mission report at the end of your shift and complete all of the areas. It's very easy. If you have questions, please direct them to your district manager. Please leave about 5 to 10 minutes at the end of your shift to complete the reporting. After each event, carefully pack everything back into the yellow box and work with the store manager to determine the best location to store the box for next time. The only thing that you should take home is the iPad, and remember to charge the iPad before your next event. So here's a little bit of first day advice. Study the benefits of the Walgreens signature experience and customers that are eligible to opt in. Learn the benefits of the Walgreens app and website that you will be sharing with all of the customers. Explore all of the tools provided on the iPad once you receive it. Experience the demo site for MySigX once we send you the credentials. And lastly, relax and have fun. This is a lot of information, but you are going to be helping people every time you walk into a Walgreens. Have questions? Reach out to your dedicated field manager, Kimberly Brokenberry. Kimberly will be your day-to-day go-to person. Please contact her throughout your workday with any questions or concerns. Have questions regarding event materials, shipments, program details, or more? You can reach out to me, John Fagan, or Dave Chadoff from Brand Connections. We'll be here to help whenever you need. And lastly, thank you. We are so excited to have you on board and can't wait to see this program in action. We will be making the rounds the first week of March, so I look forward to meeting some of you in person. Thank you, and this concludes the Walgreens Signature Experience training.